A wrong pump choice does not just waste money, it shuts down your site and forces you to replace the pump again within months. But why does this keep happening? Why do so many pumps fail early? Today, we will show you the real reason behind pump failure and how professionals avoid that mistake with Prakash Pump, where there is no pump failure, no downtime, no costly replacement. Prakash Pump is a trusted pump manufacturer, serving homes, farms, industries, and infrastructure projects across the UAE, Oman, Saudi Arabia, and global markets. From domestic water pressure to industrial dewatering and sewage handling, we design pumps that perform where others fail. Here is the truth most sellers will not tell you. Most pumps fail because they are chosen incorrectly, not because the water or the electricity is bad. And when a pump fails, the real loss is not the pump. It is the time, the labor, and the downtime. One contractor came to us after replacing 3 pumps in just 1 year. Each pump worked fine for a few weeks. The problem? High solids water and the wrong pump selection. We analyzed the site. We recommended the right Prakash Dewatering Pump. Same site, same water, no breakdowns. Because different problems need different solutions. What makes Prakash Pump different is not marketing. It is engineering. Every pump is built to handle real water conditions, not laboratory assumptions. Before buying any pump, ask these 4 questions. First, what is the water source? Second, how much flow is required? Third, what head or pressure is needed? Fourth, is the pump designed for continuous use? When these answers are clear, pump failure disappears. That is why contractors, farmers, engineers, and facility managers trust Prakash Pump. Not just for affordability, but for peace of mind as well. If you are tired of pump failures, wrong recommendations, and wasted money, choose performance that lasts. Explore our full range, get expert guidance, and choose the right pump the first time. Prakash Pump, one brand for complete water solutions. Buy now and stay connected with us only at prakashpump.com.